Hello. Hello everyone. Great to see you. Great to see you guys. How are you doing? What a beautiful day. What a beautiful comeback. This is the lovely place, guys. How's it going? How are you today, chat? How are you? How have you been moving around? Morning everyone. Good evening. Let's go. Come on. Hey, Martin. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. What a beautiful times. Come on, let's just go ahead and share this presentation as usually. We are ready. Let's go. Thank you guys. Good morning. I had a great time. I had a great time, everyone. Thank you for your great words. Welcome back. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you. Wow. Have a look into that, boys. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. We had a great time at the sea, by the sea. In Italy, at Capri Island. That's where I enjoy going out with my family and kids. That's a lovely place. Capri and Anacapri. You can find out more. And you can definitely enjoy. So what's happening out here, guys, on the markets? We've got news out there today. PPI. My voice is not perfect, but it's gonna get back on the right track. That's where I've been in vacation, guys, in Capri, an island of Italy. We had a good resting, we had a good times, amazing moments. And I'm looking forward to seeing some breakouts. We have seen gold breaking out in the past couple of days. Expecting the crypto space to get started as well, which is very sensitive to the FOMC policies. Tomorrow we got Wednesday. What is it today? Isn't Wednesday? Oh, today is Tuesday, guys. Look at that. I was thinking today it's Wednesday. This is what happens when you get back from holiday. You have no idea what day is it. So I got to get myself back in business. I don't know how trading is going to be today. I'm still relaxed. I got no idea what's happening. Good morning. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys, let's do it. Let's like the video. YouTube should send out a notification. Let's like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up the numbers and get ready for some good trading. We got this supply here on the 60s on the short-term 5-minute holding through, but we've nicely got supported by the weekly volume-weighted average price quite earlier today. And there's not much going around today in terms of scheduled news, but this week is pretty hot. So I'm going to get started on my Ticktick trader. I had no trading going on in September. Look at that. This is my performance. No trading, and I had a single day on the 28th last month. We made 1,460 on 5 accounts. We're copy trading this. So we're looking forward building. At the same time, today we're going to talk about the new accounts from the top 1 futures, Ignite, instant funding with end of the day drawdown, pretty cheap, really cheap entry, 149, really cheap entry in the business. The payout is not big, it's $1,000, but the payout comes in at 5%. Right, so you just have to do 5% for the target. You never know. It's possible from our side to expect basically baby number 3 at any point. At any point in 9 months, of course. At any point. Oh. That's gonna be huge, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is instant funded, guys. Think about. Which is the great part. It's instant funded. You know, the payout is $1,000, but if you pair up the price with a cost $149 to $1,000, there is $850 edge you got right there, which is not bad. And assuming you can do this on 6 accounts, that's $6,000 right there, $12,000 in your second round, and then another $18,000 right for the third round. It's not bad. Certainly not bad. To make some money from here as well. Yeah, that's the only problem, of course, the 20% equity stability score, which is not consistency, guys. Equity stability score is not consistency. It also counts your losses. I do have a video about it on my channel for those of you that are not familiar with the equity stability score. You definitely want to watch that. I think the intraday is going to come back at the moment. Plus, they might go for a 10% equity stability score and only 3 accounts, which I believe at that point the account is not going to be attractive at all. At this point, it is attractive for some guys, but at the time they change these things, if they do that, I don't know, it's not going to be attractive. However, this is a type of account, it's a model, which they're saying it's under practicing and testings. So this is not going to be available forever. If it's a dangerous product for the company, they're going to take it out. Yeah, with 20% consistency, it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. With an ESS, if you want to make your equity stability score to be the same like consistency, then you accept no losses. But then if you accept no losses, I mean, it's not even possible accepting no losses because you have your daily loss limit of $1,000, right? Yeah. Ticktick Trader is running a flat discount with $250 on any account. $250 is the discount on any account. It's not based on percentage. The new straight to funded plus accounts are $250 per account discounted. So right now it's a little more expensive than it used to be. $10 days as well, but you can do 5 or 6 days and then do flipping, right? This is an interesting situation here with the markets.
Order
testing
filled.
out along here, guys. This is an interesting situation here.
Order filled.
Gotta get myself back in the business slowly. I'm gonna go for that breakout. The good part is you can do flipping after 5 days or 7 days. You can do your flipping. It's, takes time to do that flipping and you're losing days, but there is no alternative with that. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up some numbers and enjoy our time. We are finally together, back in business, hunting for greatness. Strong supply here, very strong. Delivering once again with rejection. To me, clearly, that's the fight today, right there. 860s. We got to cross that. And then there is a lot of liquidity here as well, which I guess the markets would love to touch, would love to take out. We did went there a couple of hours ago. That's right. We should not lose daily volume weighted average price VWAP and the 200 EMA. We should not lose them. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Welcome guys.
Order filled.
Add a little here to my contract.
Order filled.
I've DCA'd into the price section at this point. Hello. Great to see you guys. Good morning. What a beautiful time we've got out here. Finally, we are together. I'm going to ask you, chat, what do you think about breaking out 23,900s today? Let me ask you that, chat. And of course, trade above 23,900s. Let me know what do you guys think about. I've made a pool. Let me know what do you think about chat. So do you kind of see the day bullish? Because breaking out and continuing will obviously mark the bullishness of the day and very likely be bullish until tomorrow's big news around inflation. The rate cut is very likely for the 17th of September from the odds. So we'll have to see. Thank you. Welcome back. Welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. What a happy time to be together. We got our decent entry. Which I think has force to run for the continuation, and at some point we could finally break out of that 60s. That 60 bothering me. Morning Badger, morning everyone, great to see you. Wow. If the 5-minute is closing decently, which means at least above 47, at least. then we should have strength to force that breakout on the 60s. Right, so 47 for me is essential right now on the 5-minute minimum. Great. I did enjoy, relaxed, and had a great time in Capri Island in Italy. Thank you guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on. We got 2 giveaways scheduled. Two nice giveaways.
Order filled.
Adding more to this here. In case that rejection comes in. But it looks like we're going aggressive the other way. This 1 minute candle we had. This is not too exciting.
Order filled.
And we got the daily. We got a daily touch. Personal daily loss at 1,500. Oh, that was an aggressive sell-off right there. Look at that, guys. That was an aggressive push. Moving on to the next copy traded accounts possibilities. We do have 10 accounts here. So number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got into the daily VWAP here. Looks like we're pretty much choppy on this levels, but again, the 60s got us rejected quite aggressively. And that 5 minute is strong. That 5 minute is strong.
Order filled.
This is looking decent. Stop loss and break even. We don't have too much room here for the max loss, that's why, on this accounts. So I'd like to collect that 1 grand. That would be amazing. I'm gonna DCA there.
Order filled.
Looking very good, guys, on the rejection momentum. Very good. Hey, great to see you guys. Thank you for joining. We're back in business. And this is a lovely moment here where the market is looking for the moment capable. Stop loss and break even. No reason to give out anything. I'm gonna partially sell something here. I secured $800, guys, which is very important. And I'm gonna let the rest run. All the way to 70s for an extra 1,000. That's a good one, guys. Very important after a little loss we had to regain our confidence. Very important.
Order filled.
Added 1 more contract.
Order filled.
No problem. We've got $800. Time for a beautiful round of fireworks. Boom. There you go, guys. The first profitable trade after almost 2 weeks of no trading. We had 12 days of no trading. And this is the first profitable trade right there, $800. Very important, like I said. We need to collect more and more max loss distance. We need that. If this is looking fine, I'm going to rebuy. And I think
Order
it does.
filled.
At least for the moment, this 1 minute candlestick is promising for a push, guys. So I'm just going to once again test out on 3 contracts. Not going to be aggressive. Let's go, guys. There you go. Market is moving. Adding
Order
a little more
filled.
to this. We would go for that 69 that I've been targeting here with the breakout on the 60s. Wouldn't be a big deal, right?
Order
Adding
filled.
one more to this. Let's go. 5-minute also looks great. We've been zigzagging around and not finding too much energy. But I am glad the price action is not looking terrible. Hope it's not gonna act terrible. Hey Zill, great to see you guys, great to see everyone. We are back in business. Adding more
Order
to this,
filled.
guys. Welcome back, Twister. Hey, great to see you. Let's go for the that nice target on the 69. 22 points from here. Definitely not the easiest when the momentum is missing. Looks like the choppiness is outperforming everything right now. Look at this 5-minute candles. That's a beautiful 1-minute recovery. Great to see you, yes. Come on. I told you get a great 1-minute candle. Which wants something special. It's probably ready to give us that breakout. Adding more
Order
to this,
filled.
one more contract. We're sitting on 7 minis. We already have 777 secured. And I got a target here. And that is possibly aggressive. Thank you. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Let's like the video. Let's get started with some great interaction. What a powerful rejection level here at the 60s. Quite impressive. I'm also going to trade my last day for the top 1 futures, and we qualify for the payout. You know, we have to make whatever amount of money. Whatever. So I'm just going to open up a single contract here.
Order filled.
On my top 1 futures, we have $168,000. We have $18,000 in the account. This is day number 10. We haven't traded anything in September, but we did trade it across August. Everything nicely. Right, the last 3 days we're trading only for the little amount needed. This is basically for August, and then if we change for July, this is for the July. These are the accounts that I have no losing day. You know, $50 target on the 46 is fine. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. So you got yourself Ticktick trader accounts. That's great.
Order
Adding one
filled.
more contract here for the top 1 futures. Adding
Order
one more as
filled.
well for the Ticktick trader. We're pretty close to hitting the target
Order
here for the
filled.
top 1 futures, and we did that. $99 made, which is sufficient, guys, because this was day number 10. And we qualify for a new round of payout. The consistency has been hit. The target has been hit. And now we're ready to go for 3 accounts cash out of $3,150, guys. Celebration time. This is the sequence, this is the cycle I'm speaking about, which started on 18th. That's the cycle right there, which started on 18th. Yes, news trading is allowed. Good morning, Daniel. So the highest day here is 1,228 on the 21st. 1,229 times 5, 6,145. And we made 6,000 last week plus 3,015. Clearly we have the consistency and the target. So we're ready, guys, for the payout on this accounts. What a great way to come back in business. We're gonna run some fireworks for this. Beautiful, guys. $9,450 payout secured for the top 1 futures. Beautiful, guys. It was not difficult, certainly not difficult. Boom. Great to see you, everyone. Thank you. Probably not far from live. Thank you guys, appreciate your great words. Looking forward to seeing a reaction here on the 40s. Pretty interesting the way it unfolds. I think we need a 5-minute quickly engulfing the previous candle, which wouldn't be hard. It's on 8:43, right? A 5-minute engulfing here would be actually needed. 8:43 on the target. Welcome back. I'm from Hungary. Welcome back, everyone.
Order filled.
We had a pause of almost 2 weeks. And we got stuck here. We got stuck with the loss. Ticktick Trader did not win too well today on the first day of the activity. But I'm getting back to my top 1 futures accounts. Actually, this one, look at that, guys, is having 3 great days at 1,800. Very promising. 3 days at 1,800. Looking forward securing the 4th day.
Order filled.
Hungry for gains. I've been in Capri, an island in Italy. Hey, great to see you guys.
Order filled.
We've been 12 days without live streaming. That's quite something. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. We're having some great happy times. Because today we qualify for the payout on top 1 futures. 3 accounts at 3,150 each. 9,450 bucks secured. Gotta get back in my good trading form. Looks like it takes some time. Takes some energy. But this is an interesting level here for the 5-minute on the daily volume at average price on the VWAP. It's clearly an interesting level. I'm sitting on 7 contracts, not going to dive into more for the moment, we're fine. But I would take this all the way to the 1,800 target. That would be lovely, right? Basically the 4th day. It's just another day needed. And we're good with this one too. For the payout. The new promotion, the new account. I'm going to make a complete review video on Ignite. Automated funding, which is like straight to funding model, instant funding model, end of the day drawdown. It's very cheap, guys. It's very, very cheap. 149, 6 accounts maximum, 10 minimum days to trade, end of the day drawdown, with a daily loss limit on 1,000, with a max loss of 2,000. The payout is just at 5%. That's the comfortable part. The payout is at 5% target, right? So 50k, you gotta do $2,500 and you can request your payout. A payout which is not the biggest in value, it's $1,000. That's how much you can request. But you pay $150 for 1,000. I'll make a video, a detailed video about them. I'll record a video and I'll tell you more details in a nutshell, of course. Decent reaction so far, hoping for a 5-minute continuation, which is on the table, guys. Look at that 5-minute wicks that we've got. Adding
Order
more to
filled.
this right now here.
Order filled.
2 more contracts. So I'm lowering my exit target on 849. It is a good plan to deal with lower numbers, risk less amount of money, and targeting specific audiences that are, you know, happy with lower payouts but also lower costs for the business. For maximum discount, you can utilize the coupon code SCRAMBO. Pretty much everywhere. Ticktick Trader, Tap on Futures, and the Savius accounts. Let's not forget about the 60% discount on the Savius accounts, where, for example, on the 150K account, you pay $256 and you get 3,000 payout. 90% is the payout, which is 2,700. But for $256, you get $2,700. More than 10 times. It's a good ratio on Savius accounts, Wilson. Oh, it's blurry for some reason. I mean, now it just recovered. There you go. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you. Come on, this is very promising, guys, here. There's also a potential resistance trending line that we might have. But I don't really care about that when we're chopping this range. It's not about the trends. Looking forward to making that 1,800. Adding
Order
one more
filled.
contract to this. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. 2 giveaways are scheduled for today on our first live stream by resuming from holidays. There's about 30 minutes to go. We got a flat opening right now on the hourly. 30 minutes to go when the New York market opens. A lot of the stuff going around. Yes, from investments, from swing trading. Hey, great to see you guys. We are back in business. Adding
Order
one more
filled.
contract to this.
Order
And another
filled.
one. We have DCA'd with 2 extra basically, sitting on 12 minis, 30 minutes right before the market opens. So just about 7 points needed from here. Looks like a flat level holding for the moment. Daily VWAP is also there. So it would be quite of a disappointment for me not to see any form of a 10-15 points movement. Even if we don't break above the supply we have here, daily VWAP should react. It did react it in the past couple of 30-40 minutes with all those rejections, but there is no pressure to the upside. Yes. Welcome, Fabio. Great to see you. Great to see you, Wafa, everyone. I trade crypto full time. My swing trading business is my bread and butter. Not looking good on this 1 minute. We might squeeze some below movements. Look at that. We're getting to the 200 EMA right now, the blue line. Not looking scary. Not looking scary for the moment. Look at that. Looks like we're getting pressured. We break these 30s. Opening the doors basically for the 800 test. Right? On the daily opening at the 800s. My 200 EMAs for the 5-minute candlesticks, which is why sitting on 830s. It's going good. Ethereum trade is going really good. I'm holding it, and I'm going to hold it for many, many months to come. I'm waiting for that blow-off top in the crypto space. Then I think the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. We'll have to see what's happening there. But, of course, cryptos are extremely sensitive to Federal Reserve monetary policies, so if we get an easing from there, if we get a rate cut in September, we might get a good season started with the Ethereum and altcoins. So that daily opening right there on the 800s is looking ugly. And this is looking ugly too, guys. Wow. I have to get out. What a terrible sell-off. And we really got hit over there. We really got hit right there. That's a big one, boys. $1,300 in the balance, still right there. But that was tough, right? We almost got to the 800s.
Order filled.
It's not an easy day today with the first day of trading for me. Certainly not easy. I've been wrong so far quite hard. Quite aggressively. It will definitely make up for things. Of course, the accounts right now at this stage are pretty much cheap.
Order filled.
But I'm definitely looking forward to a different experience. That was quite of a sell-off right there, 34 points. We went through everything. We smashed through everything. Decent support possibility here for the temporary move.
Order filled.
All the way back into the 50s, guys. Watch this one. Getting strong. Look at that 5-minute reaction. Let me show you the 15-minute, guys. I wouldn't call this so bearish on the 15-minute. I wouldn't call this so bearish. Still 6 minutes to go for the scandal, but it looks great. So I'm going to hold my position without problems. Without a break even for the moment. Even better, guys, on the 15 minute. Even better. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Ticktick Trader is having a flat discount, $250 from any straight to funded plus accounts. Tap on Futures is running with quite big discounts, especially they have the new accounts I'm going to talk about in a specific video. And then Savius with our exclusive offer for our community, 60% off. Comes in at a comfortable price. Holding nicely here. I don't really care about this 15-minute candlestick. I don't want to see this one closing below 16. Adding
Order
one more
filled.
contract here. Let me see what's my highest day for this account. In August. 1,800. So that's kind of the maximum I should do. Welcome. Great to see you guys.
Order filled.
Adding one more contract to this. We're set for 832 on the exit. That's really doable. If this is a bull flag here, then it's really doable. 15-minute closes soon. We need this 1 minute to hold. Come on, the last minute of this candle. This is a 15-minute candle, but the last minute before it closes needs some strength. I definitely did enjoy. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Wish you had a lovely time trading. Profitable time as well. And now we're back in business. Gotta recover my trading form, which looks like is a little different. We didn't had a good day so far in Ticktick Trader. We've lost. We didn't had a good trading day so far. But we're gonna get back in our usual form, guys. I promise you, I'm gonna fight back. Let's go. Yeah, they're in my office. Next to the office room. Welcome back. Great to see you guys. It was a good 1 minute. And we had a closing on a 23. Certainly decent, showing strength from the bulls aiming of protection this level. 15 minutes to go as well for the opening. What if that is the answer for the 60s rejection we had throughout the morning times? We've been punished pretty hard by the 60s.
Order
I
filled.
DC'd
Order
two more
filled.
contracts. You guys feel the fireworks? Just a few more points needed here, and this is not looking ugly. This is not looking ugly. Unless they make it like that. In a last minute action. Huh. I'm going break even here. Certainly have to do it. If we fall below, there is a risk of retest on the 800s, which I'd like to assume. I don't want to be part of. So I'm going break even. We need some more. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Keep in mind we have the giveaways coming out soon. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed to participate. Giveaway starts in about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm putting the stop loss right below the current candlestick. Right below that one. Securing about 140s. Good morning.
Order filled.
And it got triggered. So I'm gonna wait a little. Testing out along here.
Order filled. Order filled.
6 contracts. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Two
Order
more
filled.
contracts. With a target on the 30. This 5-minute opening here. I mean, we're dealing right now with a weekly VWAP. That's where we're bouncing. Good morning. Welcome. This is a promising move. Oh. Interesting situation. How we got that 5-minute rejection in this candle. From a promising bullish momentum we actually had. It's slowly getting denied. Let's see what's happening next.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. We got stopped out on that little move. We got an account here with an $800 drawdown. An account which I don't think looks bad at all. I made in a day $6,900 here. That's crazy. At least today we have secured $3,150 on 3 accounts. At least this is something that happened, because otherwise we've been back and forth. Stop losses getting triggered, stop losses. Gotta get back in my trading form, guys. Not in the best shape right now after having a break. Certainly not in the best shape. Look at that. Certainly not in the best shape. The opening might give us some bullishness, especially with this double confirmation here. So you got a daily opening, you broke below the liquidity of the weekly VWAP, touched the daily opening, bounced, retested your weekly VWAP. It's a perfect scenario for a breakout of the 60 supply that we've got there. We've set it up for the past couple of hours, and I think we need a movement above that for the liquidity, for the love of trading and for the love of market makers. They love to do that. They're gonna hunt that wick right there. They're gonna hunt that. So even if the market is bearish, they're still gonna hunt. That wick right here is unlikely going to remain untouched. They're gonna play some games with that. Let's see how does the New York opening brings it in. We've got about 3 minutes to go. Only have $800 drawdown here. Not too excited about it. So I'm just gonna wait. Three minutes to go. Careful when you're trading. Careful on your numbers. We've been pretty choppy in the past couple of hours. This is exactly the reaction I needed earlier. This is where we have the targets. Unfortunately. Yep. Yep. Less than 2 minutes to go. Careful. Push one. Push all the way into this liquidity. And then do whatever. I'm not that convinced this is going to remain bearish for the moment. Good trading, guys. Careful with the numbers. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. Less than a minute to go. About 40 seconds. We're trading around 35. But we got a really serious reaction on the weekly VWAP. And this is looking promising. They cleared fellas out there with that 5-minute dump. With that 5-minute strong candle of 40 points, they really cleared out people. 3 seconds to go when the market opens. Here we have the opening bell. Let's go. Keep going. Keep printing, guys. Look at that beautiful opening. We're already trading above the 50s, trading that close to the 60s target with the supply right there. We gotta fight through that supply on the 60s. That's where we have pushed. Look at that. Come on. We gotta force it through the 60s. It's not an easy job. But we shouldn't allow the fellas of shorts dominating and making money without being pressured. Once again, strong rejection coming in from there. There's the buyback. Here's the buyback. Here's the push all the way back into the 45. Testing another contract here. With the idea of getting to that 70s. It's just about $700 max loss here for me on this account, so I'm not gonna push. We had a good opening, guys. We had a good opening. I'm not gonna DCA here, but I might have to. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go through that 60s. We're attacking it once again. Look at that. Oh. That was some aggressive fat finger. Adding one more contract, guys. And I'm increasing my target a little bit. You know, $800 drawdown. There's not much about this account. But the situation is really promising right here at the limit of the breakout on the 60s. That supply right there kept us under pressure for the past 5 hours and 5 minutes. Let's see what's happening. We're happy to watch this. 67% of you consider we're going to trade above, and we're going to break out above the 900s today. 67% of you consider that. If we look into the 15-minute candle, then certainly this is not the worst price action. Well, the bulls were capable of defending that 800 successfully with a momentum on the opening, which is something we had so far. At least we haven't seen a strong reversal after the push. We're having difficulties keeping the price action above 50s, that's right. But we haven't seen that collapse after the quick momentum we had on the opening. we haven't seen that collapse. Giveaways are gonna start soon. Couple of minutes. I'm still watching this. It's interesting. If we go for that breakout. Wow. What a powerful sell-off once again in the 1 minute. But there's buyback coming in. Come on. You know, I'm going to put my stop loss right there exactly at the end of that 1 minute candle. Pull the trigger, guys. Pull the trigger. You got it. Not bad time for shorts. I don't know for how long that's gonna last. The pressure is there. It's still active, guys. The pressure above 50s is right there. They're not giving up yet. The fight is real. We need a quick 20 points movement. It might drop. It depends from where. That's the big question. Do we get a triple top here around the 90s? 900s? Or do we drop from here? Or we could actually sweep the 900s and then drop, right? We could actually sweep that and then get back to the daily opening if we would like to drop. We gotta quickly get above that 45 into the 60s. Otherwise, this is gonna drop. We should waste no more time here. Because below 40s, it's kind of dangerous. It's struggling at the level it should have strength, right? That's the point, that's the problem. It's struggling here where it shouldn't. Could struggle higher, could get rejected higher, it's fine, it's acceptable. But at this point, it's not the best sign if it doesn't get that 15-20 points quick move. Look at that. Continuously getting rejected. Whatever you do gets punished. And we had a promising opening, right? you know, this is only $800 drawdown, and today we actually qualified for a 9,450 payout, but still, I don't want to give up accounts. I don't like that.
Order filled.
And we got it touched. Unfortunately, we got this touched. This is not looking too good on 15 minutes right now. But still 4 minutes to go, guys. And look at that. The buying pressure stepped in. Temporary, showing some signs. However, we gotta advance and move to the exciting times. To the times of a better looking model. A better looking model on the wheel, guys. We are ready to get started. We are ready to get started. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you. Now, we're getting ready to start the first giveaway. We are getting ready for the first giveaway. Wait, do not write yet. Wait, I will tell you when to get started. You gotta wait, guys. You have to wait. You gotta wait. Look at that 5-minute candle. Beautiful. Hold your horses, guys. We're doing the duck race. Hold your horses, everyone. Let's go. Beautiful. So, wait, guys, what's happening? You gotta wait. Why did you start it, guys? Wait. I didn't wrote anything, guys. Wait. Come on. You gotta wait for the moment, fellas. We're not gonna be able to do it this way. We're certainly not gonna be able to do it this way. You gotta wait a little bit. Give me some time. You gotta wait a little bit, guys. Do not rush. Markets are panicking. Yeah, pretty much up and down. So, exactly, you have to wait. I'll tell you when to get started. So, first thing, like the video. Everyone, like the video. Come on, guys, like the video. Be subscribed. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell. This is a $25,000 Top 1 Futures end of the day drawdown account. And the third thing is join the Discord as well, right? So these are the three things you gotta do. Keep in mind, only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only one guess, and do not guess from multiple accounts. Let's go. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Let's go, guys. Start. Good luck, everyone, and good luck, chat. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. And we have 2 giveaways. This is the first one. So we got the stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses for the first giveaway. We're going to shuffle this a few times. There we go. And then spin, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. We have one more giveaway coming out soon. Looks like that's going to be the red number 1. What do you guys think about that red number 1? What do you guys feel about red number 1? Do we stop there or do we go to the 0? I think that's going to be a 0. I think that's going to be a 0. There you go. This is the first winner of the first giveaway. 0 right there. Hey. 0 is right there, everyone. Congratulations for those of you that are qualifying. Let's get to the duck race. Let's get to that duck race. We got Badger sending the list. 24 winners. Wow. And we had a lot of the guesses right there. But only 24 winners. You guys are not going for the 0. Let's shuffle them. And we're good to go. For those of you that have joined recently, make sure to like the video, be subscribed. This is the first giveaway. We're having the second one coming up soon. The first one is $25,000 tap on futures account, end of the day drawdown. The second one is going to be the Ticktick Trader $50,000 account. Straight to funded plus. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Happy to see you on board. Less than 10 seconds. Three seconds. Wonderworld. There you go. And we got the winner right there. Wonderworld. 09. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. You got this. You got this. Beautiful. Moving on. What's happening with the price section here? Doing a dirty job. Sitting at the same level. It's undecided yet. However, we're going to the second giveaway. Congrats, buddy. Let's go, guys. You can start, type your numbers. Let me know. Let me know your numbers, everyone. Come on. Let me know your numbers. $50,000 straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader account. And the stop is right there. No more guesses. It's over. That's it, fellas. No more guesses. It's over. We're gonna shuffle this one more time and we're good to go for the second giveaway today. Come on. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We got that green number 2. We got that number 2 right there. Might be the one. Or do we move into the number 5? Oh no. It's the number 2 right there. Beautiful. Congratulations for the winners on the number 2. Look at the price section. Doing dirty jobs. Getting all the way down to 810. But we are preparing for the duck race. We got our business. So, we got a number 2 for the winners. Congratulations. 36 winners. 36 winners for the duck race. 1 minute. Huge competition. Shuffle them. And let them run. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Good luck, guys. Pretty exciting. We're continuing tomorrow, by the way. Don't forget about it. From now, we're going to be right there at 8 a.m. EST time. Come on. 10 seconds to go. Who's going to step in? Or step out? We got Pereira. Trader Pereira. You got it. You got it right there. Number 19, Trader Pereira is the winner. Congratulations, buddy. $50,000. Straight to Funded Plus Ticktick Trader account. Congratulations for the winner. Great job. Hey, hope you're here with us. And hope you can see this. Winners, reach out to me on Discord. Direct message me on Discord, winners. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Like the video, be subscribed. Any coupon code, Scrambo, you know that. Links can be found on my channel and Discord. Looking forward to it tomorrow, hoping for a much better day. It was today the first day. Resuming on our trading, resuming on our live stream. I kind of felt the pressure. So that's why trading went a little different. But, you know, we had a great time together, fellas. That's the most important thing. Have a good one. Take care. Careful. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Enjoy your day.